I have to check the lights. Can you tell me what's working? Cheers. That's brilliant. All the lights worked without anything. I thought I'd have to at least chase some earths. Just going to spray a bit of lubricating fluid on the wipers before I use them. But those arms look pretty fresh actually. Probably not necessary. It's bad to try and strain these things. Okay, something I've been dying to do now for ages. I'm going to try that top one. No. Don't know how to make it happen. It's the light. It's going to take more investigation, that. And if it's off a switch, it's beyond my uncle's range of movement, so we'll have to make it accessible to the driver. Light works. Seems to be idling quite fast and a little bit rough, so I'm going to have a little bit of a look around the engine bay and see if I can make it run a bit smoother. I also want to get it to heat up and make sure that the fan and everything is cutting in correctly. I don't even know what carburetor it has. Oh, Varijet. That's the Varijet, that's what's supposed to be there. Yeah, it's wrong road there. That's a bit more like it. Probably need to turn the oil back up. Somebody's probably compensated for that. Bet we'll have a bit more power moving around now. I hadn't really intended making a video today, but it's just a lovely afternoon and I thought I'd push the car outside and do a bit of tinkering with it. It's become very hard to start and running very rough. Been investigating it a bit, took the cam cover off, and I've discovered that it's actually not timing up very consistently. I've timed it, got the marks lined up, and then after cranking it a few times I've noticed that they're not lined up anymore. So I think this timing belt is actually way too loose, and it's actually skipping teeth when you're starting, and that could be the cause of why it's running so bad. So I need to line it up and then tighten up the belt by rotating the water pump down the back there. That's how they're tensioned, and hopefully that'll get will be running well. So as you can see, the mark should be lined up here, and it's actually gone around to here, and the two lobes, which should be kind of equally either side of perpendicular, are actually too far this way as well. And but if I put the screwdriver in through the spark plug hole, you can feel the piston is in the top position there. Just peel off this loose belt. Okay, that's what it should be. I'll loosen off the alternator, get a bit of space at the water pump to rotate it. Loosening the water pump there. 3 Allen keys on the outside of that, just kind of clamp it in. You loosen them and then you can rotate the whole water pump, and it's eccentric, the position of the pulley on it, so you can, if you rotate it, it tensions the timing belt. There's just like a blade on the back of the water pump, and you can grab it with the vice grips. There might be a better way of doing it than that, but that's the way I do it. Tighten those up. And I'll put the alternator back, and I should have a much tighter and timed up timing belt. That's the consistency I was looking for. This mark here, this here, staying lined up. Wonder why the cover was off. That's how I found it. Somebody trying to do this before. It's very clean inside that can cover, and they said these look like they've been replaced. Someone has worked on this. There's incorrect linked bolts along there as well. So, definitely been apart. bit better, but we're not there yet.